Guys, on a regardé vidéo ça, mais regardez ça, un bel exemple lié, oui, un bel exemple. Je pense que monsieur pas ouais, mais pourtant, bon Dieu a protégé monsieur. Regardez vidéo ça, regardez bel exemple ça. Allez à l'homme qui se confie en l'homme. Guys, on a regardé vidéo ça, mais regardez ça, un bel exemple lié, oui, un bel exemple. Je pense que monsieur pas ouais, mais pourtant, bon Dieu a protégé monsieur. Regardez vidéo ça, regardez bel exemple ça. Allez à l'homme qui se confie en l'homme.
Babe, you're not eating?
No, I'll eat. I'll eat.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're sure you're fine?
I'll eat.
Okay.
Can you help me with water?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Babe, you're still not eating.
I'll eat. I'll eat.
Or do you want me to feed you?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
No.
I'll eat.
Why are you holding my...
I can see. I can see.
You can see me. You can see me.
I can see. You're holding a bar. I can see you very clearly. You just swallowed the bar. I can see you. You said I should eat that, right? Huh? You go ahead and eat it.
No. Babe, it's your food. It's your food, you should eat it.
I said go ahead and eat it.
No, babe. It's your food now.
I know it's my food. You wanted to feed me, right? Go ahead and eat it. Well, I thank God. I don't just know what happened here actually. All of a sudden, I regained my sight and I can see. And like I said, go ahead and eat that food.
No, I can't eat it now.
Why can't you eat that food? Huh? You know what? You know what? You know what? You know me very well, and you know I have this my friend that is a lieutenant. If I should go ahead and pick my phone and give him a call, you know what will happen? You know he's a very mad and ras guy. He doesn't take things easy. He hears go, he doesn't hear come. So now go ahead and eat that food.
No, I can't eat the food.
Why?
Are you not going to say anything?
What do you mean to say now? I've been sitting there here since. I've been eating my food peacefully. Have I said anything? Have you heard my voice since? Bro,
Oh, yeah, eat the food.
eat which food?
Well,
They're asking you to eat food. You're telling me to eat food. What was that one now? I finished. See, my food has finished. It has finished.
I can see. Yeah. Your food has finished because you love the meal so much and it's so sweet. I can see you even licked the plate. So now I want you to eat out of mine too. Take a bite from this eba and put it here in your mouth now.
You say it.
Eat from my own plate.
I'll wound you now. Hey, you said I should what?
Eat from my plate.
See now, we are blood. As it is now, you have asked her to eat. So why will I eat again? Let her eat now. You can't just jump her and come to me. I should eat. Let her eat. It's already in her hand. No, oh yeah, you eat.
No, you
eat it.
Eat it
now.
No, see, I'll put it in your mouth, oh.
Put what in my mouth now? Babe, put what in my mouth? Don't stress me. Oh.
Is it not eat that? Eat it.
See, I will blow you now.
Better eat it.
Eat what now? I want to put it in my mouth. And drop this thing, Joe. Drop it.
So I can see the shenanigans that you guys are doing right here. Oh, you think I didn't see when you sprinkled something in?